Hey there, and welcome to the enchanting Belfountain Conservation Area. This is a place where nature paints a masterpiece every day, and we're here to soak up all its wonders. The trails here are a treat for the curious souls. You can embark on a journey, exploring every nook and cranny, and you'll come across hidden waterfalls, lively streams, and vibrant wildlife that call this place home. Pause for a moment and let's appreciate the stunning variety of flora and fauna around us. From the colorful wildflowers to the towering trees, every element here plays a part in creating a harmonious symphony of nature. Belfountain isn't just a beautiful spot, it's a place with a story. The local community has worked tirelessly to preserve this natural treasure, ensuring that future generations can continue to enjoy its beauty and serenity. Experts and locals here are passionate about maintaining the ecological balance. They emphasize the significance of preserving this habitat, not just for the present but for the future of our planet and all the creatures that call it home. As the day draws to a close, take a moment to absorb the breathtaking panoramic view of Belfountain. It's a place that reminds us to slow down, appreciate the beauty of our surroundings, and find solace in the simplicity of nature. Before we wrap up, remember, places like Belfountain are not just for us to enjoy, but also for us to protect. So, if you're ever in the area, make sure to visit and contribute to the preservation of this incredible sanctuary. Let's continue to cherish and safeguard the wonders of our natural world. Thanks for joining us on this unforgettable journey through Belfountain Conservation Area. Until next time, take care and keep exploring the beauty of our planet.